About 3 weeks ago, I moved from New York City to my family's abandoned farm here in Italy. Until 2 or 3 days ago, I didn't have an internet connection, so I couldn't really work to show you what's going on. But now I do, and you don't have to worry, because I've been filming everything. In this video, I'll do a recap of my new apartment makeover. In the next one, I'll show you the land around it. There's about 12 acres. And after those 2 pilot videos, I'm gonna update you weekly on everything that's going on. There's a lot, so you better subscribe, activate the bell, and enjoy this journey from day one. So it's the first time actually going there. Not really the first time. I grew up there. It's the first time since I got it, since it's mine. And I don't know, I'm just super excited. I cannot wait. We're like 5 minutes away. Look how beautiful it is around here. We're getting in the countryside of Abruzzo, my region. The farm, it's run down, it needs all of repairs. It's abandoned, it's been abandoned for years now. It's falling apart. Let's go see it. This yellow-ish one is the house where I'm gonna live for at least 1 year, because it's the only standing structure on the property. Looks okay, definitely planning to make it look better. So let's go inside. Funny things, look how many keys. We're gonna try to use all of them today and open, I don't even know how many doors, garages. First problem to solve, let's find the right key. There's like 100 in here. But my cousin told me it's the red one. Oh my god, this is a mess. Of course, it's the last one. I guess this is not the entrance. I guess this is it. Welcome in my new house. First problem, gotta fix that quickly. Can I close? Oh, this one is. This room is not. This is gonna be my laundry. Smells so bad, and of course it's not a kitchen. You guys know that I'm a chef, and we gotta do something here, of course. We gotta do everything here, let's say. Well, it's not that small. We gotta find a kitchen solution. And open the windows. Okay, I guess this door is not a door. Okay, Jake, let's go outside. Oh, that's a pretty big space. This is so much fun, because really guys, that was the very first time for me opening those doors. That's why I'm so excited, because I didn't know what was inside. I was expecting something worse. Obviously it looks like shit, it's so dirty, and you know, it needs some repairs or something. But now let's go on top of the hill. I'm gonna show you the view from this apartment, and then we go down in the main house. All right, back to the present. We're not actually going to see the main property and the view and the garden around the apartment in this video. We're gonna do that next video, next week. Don't worry. Today, it's about the apartment makeover, the cleaning, and then the moving and everything else. At the end of this video, you'll see the apartment ready. Now let's start, because there's so much to clean. Tanto, ehi, vieni. Sì. Quindi lo posso lasciare?
Sì, dammi. No, senti.
Alright, the very first big clean is done. Pretty much, we're gonna have to clean more. I'm very excited today because the movers are coming. We're gonna get some furniture here and move in. Alright, the movers are done. We got it cleaner, even better, and I can actually welcome you in my new apartment. I got some problems. We had the mold problem and the shower. I got my brothers helping me, my friends. Now we're ready for the tour. I'm by myself today, so I'm just gonna turn the front camera, show you. You gotta let me know in the comments what you think at the end of the video. We got a sink, we got a shower, we got a washing machine, we got everything. Let's see the bedroom. Alright, what do you think? I think it looks more than fine. I got very lucky. I got my dad's furniture. He moved out from a big house not so long ago. And guys, we have a kitchen solution. We found it. Let me show you how it was before. It smells so bad, and of course it's not a kitchen. And now, I'm very happy with the apartment makeover. Of course, we gotta fix a lot of things. I need more storage space here in the kitchen. I need something over here in the dining room. We need a fireplace over here. It's a mess. It rained in here one night when the rain was very strong. I needed all that mess, so we gotta fix it with putting a fireplace. And this room, the main one, is definitely too empty. Something in the center, a carpet or something else. But look at the lighting, how beautiful. I love this room over here. Harry Potter on my back. The big, beautiful closet. The TV, we're missing a desk over here where we're gonna edit. That door leads you to the backyard, to the garden. And I gotta change it with a glass door that takes me outside. Then we have, the bathroom, so much better, we saw it. I didn't show you this room, the small one, because it's the reason why everything else is tidy. It's very messy. I throw everything in here for now. It's gonna be my closet / laundry room, even if the washing machine is in there. And then my bedroom over here, just the bed, nothing else. I'm not gonna put anything in here other than so many plants. That's what's missing also. Many plants. I have some over here, I have one over there. It's definitely not enough. Now for this video, we're pretty much done. You make sure you subscribe because next week I'm showing you the outside and then we go weekly. From there on, ciao, thank you for watching.